Well, hello guys. This is my life. This is real and raw right here. Yeah. I had plans, I had plans to do stuff. Do videos, awesome content. Then the holidays hit, and with a baby at home, nothing happened besides getting the only work I got paid for done. So, what are we doing right now? We're cleaning this mess. I'm going through fabrics. I'm decluttering the whole place. So I thought, let's just go ahead and do a little talky talk while I work on this stuff. So, I've got some big goals this year. So, my baby is almost 1, and he's getting to the age where it's like he wants to be entertained constantly, and I cannot simply do everything that I want to do work-wise and entertain and love on him all the time. So, goal this year is to, I'm super picky about where he's gonna go. I have one babysitter that my other kid goes to, and I don't really feel like risking it just to have him watched, you know what I mean? I just feel like with his sibling going there, that's where I want him to go. So, goal for 2025, if he gets into daycare this year, some big goals gonna happen. Right now I am just folding up fabric. I have a bajillion things of fabric. I don't even, so I'm going through that right now. And we're just sorting through. I really don't need most of these because I've kind of got my favorites that I like, but you never know when you can use some fabric, so I guess I'll keep it anyway. But yeah, let's talk about some goals I have. I would love to grow here on YouTube and make this my main job, and I can just film what I'm doing on the side for funsies. I guess it's all for fun, but yeah. And then I would love, this is just a spare bedroom, it's pretty tiny in here, so I would love to convert our shop into the embroidery / my husband's works office shop, whatever. It would be really cool, but that's a big goal for 2025. You never know what could happen in a year. I was thinking I've obviously have my old videos on here from when I did hair and then just stayed at home. I didn't even follow through with staying at home and creating content when I did, just because, I don't know, it's hard for me to give my kids full attention and at the same time do other things. Like, I'm not good at multitasking, so it's either one or the other, and right now it's kind of important for me to raise my kids. But I have a burning desire to create all the time. I try to explain that to my husband, but it's like, he doesn't get it. He's like, just go and work a normal job, get her done, blue collar. So, but yeah, it's hard to not feel guilty for wanting to create. I don't know. I'm like, why did God make me this way? And then at the same time, I'm like, I'm a mother, and you feel so much guilt for thinking about, I could be doing this, creating that. It's a tough world, man. But I just know I'm blessed to be able to even do any of this. So I guess another goal for 2025 is to count blessings and live in the moment more. I don't know, that got deep. But yeah, right now I'm folding some random comfort colors I have. Should probably do stuff with those. But again, this is Christmas break right now, and 2 out of my 3 kids are here, so you know, not much has gotten done. I will say the holiday rush caused me like extreme burnout. Like, I was stuck in the mindset of go, 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 get it all done, make the money. And at the same time, it's like you resent the fact that you only have so much time and that's all you can do and not create. I think I have a problem with wanting to just one and done. I think I find myself loving to create, the challenge of wanting to create something new. And when I have to repetitively make something, I'm like over it, bored, let's do and create something new. I don't know. These have like little fuzzies from a bunch of projects. I was just flinging stuff going through this holiday rush. You don't even want to see the bare floor. Okay. Another goal, not business related this year, is to get on my health and fitness journey. And I have an ideal weight I would like to lose, but most importantly, I would love to just look and feel different, stronger. Thinner wouldn't hurt, but you know, that's also hard to balance when you have multiple kids and try to run a business. It's all about being prepared. That's what I need to focus on, is being prepared. Food wise, plan your workout, don't skip it, you know. Because ultimately, we should feel privileged that we can move our bodies. So, and I think that goes hand in hand with business success, and anything successful in life is people who move their body, try harder to be better, you know? Real talk over here. This year I'd also love to travel more. I don't know when we're gonna fit that in, but you know. Another goal I just thought of, thinking about, you know, what I want for the business, is to focus on centering my business around God and living out a Christian life that is like, it's actually incredibly hard in such a worldly world, you know. It's easy to get caught up in working towards this and you know, things, just very easy to do. So I would like to be more Christ-centered. I would love to hear, if anybody who is watching, what your goals are. It's always fun to hear success stories. Let's go over the goals that I did achieve this year. Fair wholesale orders. I had it as a main income. I mean, did they take a chunk of my money? Yeah. But it did supply, you know, income for us. Let's see. I started selling a lot more on Etsy. Yeah, I think this was the year I actually had consistent weeks of, or even like every other day, a sale at least, which is wild because I didn't do much work. I just prayed. I truly just prayed about more ways to find income. So that has been a blessing. Definitely generated a lot more sales through my website and local orders. I would like to do more of that stuff, but yeah, for now, this is as good as it will get while having a little at home. So I am now currently digitizing like 95% of my embroidery stuff, so that's pretty cool. I don't have to rely on anybody else to come up with, you know, designs. just all me, baby. Another goal, mainly towards social media. I have tried to push myself a little bit more. I could do so much more for sure, but it's just hard to. There's like a love-hate with social media, you know. It's like you love the fact that you can get exposed on here, but like it really is a lot to deal with. On top of ending 2024, I officially became a Amazon influencer. I'm not yet to where I can make money off of the shoppable videos, but I am waiting for that right now. So pretty much 2024, but I got to be an associate, affiliate, whatever that is, and then applied for like influencer. It says I am one, but I think to make, you know, like income off of the actual like review videos, I'm not there yet, but I have a storefront, so that's cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I don't know if I have anything else. I need to get started on some Etsy orders that I have, and yeah, I go over the rest of the room, and I don't think you guys need to see that. So if you enjoyed this video, just go ahead and give me that little, let me know what you'd like to see in my other videos. I don't really know where this channel's going, but I'm just trying. But yeah, have a good rest of your day, guys, and I'll see ya next time.